So advanced engineering, that's the Belgium location. And let's see what we have here. Different component manufacturers, mainly on the mechanical parts, so 3D printing, automation, and some software companies are also here. Yeah. This here is more about 3D printing, and I see as well some scanners also throughout the whole ecosystem here, or at least in this exhibition that I'm looking at. Okay, let's explore and see what do we have here. Some of the component providers here, connectors, and you see here on the mechanical plastics, plastic boxes, connectors, again plastics, 3D printing, which I mentioned in the earlier comments. That yes, there's a lot of 3D printing, these kind of materials available. The MT3D, that was interesting. They have a metal 3D printing available. These are some solution providers for the EMC and injector printing, 3D scanners. They have interesting CT capabilities here, and some other component providers like the Battenberg. Yeah. And yeah. Look at this, and then you have the PCB suppliers. Again, the component suppliers on my right side here with some power components like the coils, transformers, thermal solutions. That's the main stage. The scale shift, of course. Our friends at the Alcom, that's the distributors for different companies. Electronic, of course, and they have this time Nordic that is also presenting with them, and the Intel RealSense guys are here. Again, another company, very nice solutions from the 3D scanners possibilities that you can do. 3D scanning, CAD. It's fair to say that the 60 to 65% of this expo is about mechanical engineering, mechanical components, or electromechanical, I should say. And then some EMS companies are also here providing their design engineering services, testing services. For example, the FMAC here, they have the EMC solutions available, Decamo, some of the familiar names in the Belgian market. They're here. And then, of course, that's some networking area. Yeah, that is the solar car that won some awards here in Europe also, ABB and the TMB guys. Again, some component suppliers. Some wiring connectivity here is there. Yeah, cables, connectors, cockpit. Yeah, so that's the ICT solution providers from Thomas More, and of course that's the Thomas More University, so you can look into their product services, the courses. Oops. Again, some EMS companies here. Mechanical die-cast solutions, back and forth with the EtherCAT components and the circuit boards. This is the University of Hasselt, if I may. Yeah, that's this one where they have the digital twin versions or the XR, AR, XR versions available. There's solutions available. That's the advanced manufacturing PCB. They are based in Hong Kong and China. So a nice company with different EMS solutions. 7C also, 7C7, that's the design house, engineering house here in Belgium. Yeah, this is what I was explaining, that's the XR solution from the University of Hasselt. XR Intelligence they're calling here. AR XR solutions for multiple training solutions or on-site and off-site training. arrows. That's one of the favorite component providers or distributors. And Cab Group, that's for the PCB. So if you're looking for some critical solutions in the PCB market, of course, do check them. The AC solutions, I'm not really aware of it, but I think, yeah, that's a connectors-based solution. Wider, the Page, they are the vision-based systems designer, like the microscope, inspection scopes, these kind of things. Pili, they have sort of design agency or a design house, you can call it. Do check their website. Again, some component providers here, PCB providers, design houses for specific industries. Well, this one is, they're saying that this is for the harsh environments. So you could think about the industries where shock and vibration is quite extensive. For example, automotive or heavy machinery, this kind of industries. TME, again, component and tools provider. You will see some of their products showcased here. Yeah. So that's a maker's lab here. They're showing some of the automation solutions in the trainer. And this is what I was explaining you about the 3D scanning solution. So that the person here, he is scanning the boat or the car here with that scanner. And then we have our Würth, of course, Würth Electronics, with the component distribution, some cool kits for the students here on the showcase. So you can see that they're very excited about that, to get some kits. And I do see some fun parts of the stem here, and some cabling solutions. By the way, this is the electric car that is done by the Thomas More and the KU Leuven. Oh yeah, by the way, the console, they have very nice multi-physics solutions as well as simulation solutions. So like, the CST from the Dassault systems or the ANSYS. Do check the console as well for the electromagnetics or multi-physics solutions. And next, again, another EMS from the Netherlands.
Looking around.
And that would be it. So this is the overall Advanced Engineering 2026 here in the city of Ghent, Belgium. This is their tech lane with some dedicated products, which you saw in the beginning of the video. So, thank you so much for watching. Goodbye.